Okay, if the Wilson Max 3s weren't cool enough, look what arrived here as well. Formerly in 3MA's showroom, the Nautilus. 8 channels of amplification, a couple of crossovers.
One of the
So the mid-range came in a separate package separately. These things are so badass.
I know,
It's so unique. They're iconic, you know, the speaker design for sure. Yeah, so there's a story behind why the owner selected all of these different speakers. So I'll try to have an interview with him later and explain why. Pretty amazing though. Speaker number 2 coming in. So remember how much it costs you just to ship
Oh,
a 5-pound.
Wow.
5-pound package costs like $30 to ship across the country now. Imagine a 400-pound case. Not cheap at all, just to ship.
Piece of artwork.
Yeah.
Isn't it badass? No, that's as iconic a speaker as ever made, really.
Not small though.
So you selected these because you saw them sometime?
I saw this. I mean, I like B&W. That was the first high-end speaker I liked.
Is that right?
The 800 Diamond series.
Okay.
And I always wanted to get B&W 800 with, you know, the Electro Company monoblocks.
Uh-huh.
That was like my dream from 20 years ago. And then of course I saw these speakers in China, in Beijing. They had them on display.
Really?
Yeah, I always liked B&W.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you saw Johnny had a pair for sale.
Yeah, I was like, you know, what's the deal with those?
Yeah.
They're just sitting there.
Yeah, they had been in the storeroom a little while. I think he was going to take them himself. He was going to use them.
Yeah.
Because it's a little more tougher sell because of the number of amps you need.
You need someone really, you know, like
Committed to
likes
all the amps and crossover, and have the space for it.
Yeah.
But it's going to go good in this room. It
Yeah.
already fits nice, I think. So the other one will go here.
Yeah, because this was like my dream in my 20s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, this is as iconic as it comes.
So they all come in parts. You have to put them together.
No, I just want to put them.
We don't want people seeing the ugly part. Come on, Robert.
Don't worry, I'll blur out your face, Luis.
Yeah, that's fine. Blur out my face, but say my name. That's all.
Shall we move out the nightstand and put it over there?
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, I think so. Do you need any of that stuff over there?
Yeah, we can move out the nightstand.
For sure. Straight jacket. It's like be interesting to see how it would sound.
With that.
Yeah.
What do you want the?
Okay, so let's move some furniture here. I'll give him a hand.
Robert? Yeah, this one's video. Fine. Okay, I got it. Okay. We're gonna tighten the bottom later.
So the theory behind removing this driver is because This one, this lower mid-range, is so long of a tube, it's more susceptible to shipping damage and not able to crate it. So they take it out, which is a little extra work, but again, this is what you want to see when you're buying from dealers, putting that extra attention to shipping it, packaging it, and then reassembling it for the maximum, or at least the minimum chance of shipping damage. So now we got both lower mid-range units attached. And first looks of them without the tape.
And then we just need the rack for the gold note, man. We're just putting on the, do you have anything that we can just put on there for now? Something like a, so we don't put on the carpet?
Yeah, I have the oil drip pan there.
Oil drip pan?
Well, that one of our customers got something like that.
Yeah.
You got a gold one?
Yeah, we have a gold one.
Yeah. Also from here.
Art Novian is the acoustic treatment that 3MA carries.
This is cool, you know? You see it first. Dang, it's big.
No, this is fine. What do they distribute besides Arnold?
All kind of stuff here. Oh, no, is one of the main ones, but you see how much stuff they have? Holy.
Whose warehouses?
The warehouse is huge.
These are all going out.
And that's just for the B&W.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Because the your home theater, you can always get them later. It's right here. I can tell.
Yeah.
And then you can just come to
Yeah.
it if you see anything you like.
Yeah. Yeah, because the office room is not like in the center, it's just on the side.
What kind of faceplate they
You
have?
see it?
Oh yeah, those are cool. That'll match the stands perfectly.
Yeah, matches stand for sure with
Yeah.
the black and
Yeah.
everything.
Who's old enough to remember when you used to look through the catalogs to buy audio gear and the department stores sold all together same brand? And it would include the stand and all. That's a throwback to the young days. $549.
Oh, boy. No, the model number.
That's how much they sell. No, this is level
Looks like
901.
it's used with the crossover.